Welcome back, money suckers. Today, we're diving deep into the psychological scam that's been draining your bank account faster than you can say bye now. But fear not, because I'm here to expose the truth and offer you a better way to protect your hard-earned cash. The world of consumerism, where every product promises to make you happier, more successful, and sexier than ever before. But what they don't tell you is that behind the shiny packaging lies a carefully crafted psychological trap designed to suck you dry. These sneaky scammers know exactly how to push your buttons and exploit your deepest desires. From fear of missing out to the allure of instant gratification, they play on your emotions like a fiddle, leaving you vulnerable and open to manipulation. And before you know it, you're knee-deep in debt, drowning in a sea of impulse purchases and beer's remorse. But hey, at least you've got that new designer handbag, right? So, how do we break free from this vicious cycle of overspending and unfulfilled promises? It's simple. We need to rewire our brains and take back control of our financial destiny. Step 1. Mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment, we can resist the urge to succumb to impulsive buying and make more rational decisions about our money. Step 2. Budgeting. By setting clear financial goals and keeping track of our spending habits, we can avoid falling into the trap of mindless consumption and start building a solid foundation for our future. Step 3. Education. Instead of chasing the latest trends and material possessions, why not invest in yourself? Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a passion project, or expanding your knowledge, the returns on self-improvement are priceless. Step 4. Giving back. True wealth isn't measured by the size of your bank account, but by the impact you make on the world around you. By sharing your time, talent, and resources with those in need, you'll find fulfillment beyond any material possession. And finally, Step 5. Gratitude. In a world that constantly bombards us with messages of scarcity and lack, it's important to take a step back and appreciate the abundance that surrounds us. From a roof over our heads to the love of family and friends, true wealth is found in the little things that money can't buy. So there you have it, folks. The psychological scam that steals your wealth is no match for a mindful, budget-savvy, educated, compassionate, and grateful individual like you. With these tools in your arsenal, you can outsmart the scammers, reclaim your financial freedom, and live a life of true abundance. Until next time, stay savvy and stay wealthy, my friends. Remember, the power to create the life you deserve is in your hands. So go forth, break free from the shackles of consumerism, and embrace a future filled with wealth, purpose, and joy. See you on the other side.